watches. Crafted with finesse and delicacy, these watches epitomize the true Indian woman. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm your host, Ruby Bhatia, and I will take you through a beautiful journey. I now request Mr. S. Ravikant, the CEO of Titan Watches and Accessories, to provide a deeper insight on the brand and the collection. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ravikant.
Thanks, Ruby. Thanks a lot. First and foremost, let me thank all of you for having joined us on this important occasion, a very important day for us. Before I come to the launch of the collection today, let me just take you through the journey of Raga over the years. And if you look at the birth of Raga as a brand, Raga is I would say, the first Indian brand dedicated to the Indian woman. And the Indian woman, as all of us know, is ever evolving. And with that, the brand has also been evolving. So Raga was launched in the year 1992. And over the years, like I said, with the changing Indian woman, the brand has also evolved. The initial inspiration of Raga was housed in Indian heritage, the rich Indian heritage, and therefore it was a little in the ethnic space. Over the years, and now, the brand stands for the what we would say the ethno-contemporary woman and space, because the modern Indian woman is very ethno-contemporary, and with that the brand has also changed and evolved. Over the years, we have launched many collections under the Raga brand, and you would remember some of them: Raga Pearls, Raga Desire, Raga Shimmer, Raga Cities, and the last year was Raga Garden of Eden. Each of them have been extremely successful, and we now have such loyal customers for Raga across the country, where they wait for the Diwali season every year to figure out what is being launched under the sub-brand Raga. Talking of the sub-brand, in fact, Raga has become the most significant sub-brand under the Titan portfolio. It contributes to as high as 23% of our sales under the Titan brand, and last year it grew by about 15%. So Raga, like I said, has become very significant. It has a large customer base. So what is at the core of Raga? I mean, according to me, I think there are three core pillars of Raga. The first is about understanding, a deep understanding of the Indian woman. And the brand is dedicated to the Indian woman of today, who's young, confident, sensuous, yet graceful, and looking forward to contributing to the society. A lot about me, and which is where the positioning, a lot about me, meaning not me, the Indian woman I'm talking about. Which is where the positioning and the platform of Raga, the brand is. You may have seen the campaign with Katrina last year, about
has inspired many consumer beauty, including our brand new collection, Titan Raga Moonlight. The collection features 13 timepieces, each a tribute to the enthralling beauty of the moon and the glistening of its light across the earth. This collection brings with it an air of confidence and euphoria, encouraging women to knit ashra sachet. I present to you the Titan Raga Moonlight collection.
example. The whole idea is about creating watches which you can't afford not to wear. So it is a part of dressing up. You can't use a mobile phone for dressing up. Okay? What does the watches stand for? Watches look as family. Don't use it for timekeeping and tracking time. In fact, there are some watches which for time they may regarding read time. These are especially rather very ornate. So I don't think we see mobile as a threat in that sense. But yes, it is. I would say it does apply to a lot of youth. We see a lot of children and teenagers not wearing watches today and using a mobile. So that's a challenge for us actually. We are trying to do what we can do to reach out to them. In fact, we have today we are meeting here for Raga, but we have a separate brand for youth called Fast Track, which excites them and gives them a reason to buy.
I would like to ask you, you have selected Yami for endorsement of the brand. So what is the special quality you would like to say about that you have selected?
I think many. And there are some that I have discovered in the last 10 minutes after I met her. But if I was to link her to the brand, like I was saying earlier on, that the brand stands for the contemporary Indian woman who's confident, who's so she stands for everything that the brand stands for. Which is she's young, she's confident, she's very graceful from whatever one sees, how she carries herself gracefully, at least in her professional life, in her personal life. And do I need to say that she's very pretty as Kanina watches.
Yami, one more.
I think as you're very right. Yeah, I think today I'm talking as a girl. I think today's girl. Today, watch is not just as only a source which is just restricted to sleep or time. Of course, apart from seeing time, I'm one of those, of course, people who love wearing watches. I think it's a statement as well. I would say as an access, as from a fashion perspective as well. So I'm getting to wear a watch, or if I get to have something like this, which is so beautiful, look at the design, I think it's rusty jewels, it's pearls, it's the dial, the whole collection, which is a Moonlight collection, and not just this, but I think that's what the Titan Raga woman embodies, which is style, but in elegance. And I think if I get all this in one accessory, I don't think you won't think ever in terms of jewelry. So I think that's something which is one of the best things which I find.
Hello.
Now you know why we selected her. I mean, she's put it across so well. And this is what I was saying, that if you have a Raga, and you're going for a special occasion, you can be very minimalistic on jewelry. You don't need to, because you're really dressed up with the Raga, and that's the essence of Raga.
Hello.
We have
Yami, time आपने इतना महत्व रखता है क्या सोचती हैं समय के बारे में?
समय में आई थिंक मेरे लिए सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है और आई थिंक ये पहली चीज़ है जो शायद हमें स्कूल से सिखाया जाता है to be punctual, that there's a reason why there's a time for everything to start from your schooling. So I think that's something which you carry forward in your profession, right? I don't like anyone waiting for me. I don't like I would say waiting. But I think it's very important. The time management becomes very important because the busier you get, it's very important for you to be able to chalk out your scale. And I think that's a little respect to give. It's a little way of giving respect to others, your profession, your colleagues as well, and even in personal life. Because otherwise, if you don't manage, I think, or you don't know how to manage time, I think the life, especially the profession that we're in, can go really haywire, and I think you're just going to make life difficult. So if you have a watch, which is this one, and that's what I think. That's what I like connecting with brands with which I can speak very naturally. And because me as a person, I'm not a very heavy accessory kind of a person. I like something which is very slick, which is very elegant. Doesn't need too much. And I think today's time girls like that. I'm not very sure that how much of us like getting decked up too much for work or even for occasions and festivals. I think
It's in, I think as far as the festive mood goes, it goes really well. It's a nice party wear at the same time. It's something which is very minimal and yet it's very striking. So, and yes, it keeps
यामी मेरा ये काफी फेस्टिवल है तो आप लैटिन नाका की क्या किसको गिफ्ट देना चाहती हैं?
I think मैं उन्हें गिफ्ट देना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मुझे मेरी पहली टाइम लगा गिफ्ट की थी, which is who's my mother, and she is the one who introduced me to टाइम लगा. और मैंने पहली मेरी वॉच टाइम लगा भी कॉलेज में थी, which is I must share this, which is again inspired by my mother. So I've seen her wearing it, you know, and it's nice how everybody, how generations evolve and brands evolve, you know, and with you know coherence with contemporary times. So yes.
यामी जी, let's go on the new projects. आपने बड़ी अच्छी जरूरत की राधा. Do you agree that Radha is the musical name also?
Yes, it is music. Would you like to answer?
हाँ तो आपका क्वेश्चन तो क्या रागा इज म्यूजिक.
अच्छी बात है उसमें.
हाँ वो तो मैं मानता हूँ आपके साथ, बस आपका सवाल क्या था?
ये मालूम दो फिल्में कर कुछ अगला प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है.
अगला प्रोजेक्ट है सनम रे जो वैलेंटाइन डे रिलीज है. इट्स अ लव स्टोरी, इंटेंस लव स्टोरी ऑपोजिट दुर्गे सम्राट और डीसीसी पिक्चर है जो दिव्या कुमार डायरेक्ट कर रही है. तीसरी इज नोन फॉर इट्स आई थिंक some most memorable music. तो आप देखेंगे काफी टाइम के बाद एक इंटेंस जिसे कहते हैं म्यूजिकल लव स्टोरी.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's a common saying that time is money. So what do you think, that time is money or money is time? What do you think? For time?
I think they go hand in hand. They totally go hand in hand. If I don't value time, that means I don't value money. Yeah, and I think no matter how big a person you become, if you take time for granted, I think there is always a comeback time. There's so much of time happening, but I think in bottom line, yes, time is money.
Meanwhile, I'd like to say that you're looking absolutely great. So, what is that thing what makes you to stop the shows? Why do you like to stop the show?
Stop the show. Just a look.
Stop the show is already very different.
I can do that.
What do you mean the show stopper?
Yeah. I think it feels great. See, to be honest, I think everybody is now aware of my journey. Never been a professional model. I'm not a Bombay girl. I'm not a film happy, totally Chandigarh girl who is a total geeky in her own. You know, so my journey from books to ramp and to camera and all, it's sometimes I sit and think that wow, I think it feels very different. And yeah, I think ramp show again, because usually our lives I think is restrained to set and you know our film, the whole you know atmosphere. When you come to events like these, platforms like these, you know, for such esteemed brands that I worked here today for, and to meet all of you, to interact with all of you, you get a different perspective altogether. It's a different type of a platform to interact and to showcase your personality and come on, you know, and for causes and for reasons like this, I think is what makes it good than just me.
When somebody that gorgeous comes, the show has to stop. Any more questions? There will be an opportunity for one-to-one interaction as well.
When you expect people that everybody should go for watches and like earlier we used to tell.
Mike, please.
When do you expect your question? When do you expect everyone to wear watches?
Yeah, like earlier people used mobile and stuff.
Starting tomorrow. Yes, so like I said, most people today wear watches. Also because like she said, it's very much a style accessory, and it is not just a phenomenon in large and big towns and metros. Even in small towns today, people are aspiring for watches. People are aspiring for. In the big town, it's become a status symbol. So which brand you wear becomes important. Like I said, it's only among some youth you see that they don't wear watches today. But for them, we have created a separate brand, and we're going to be coming out with many more reasons which we will announce very shortly, and give consumers to wear a watch. Give a reason consumers to wear a watch.
I think even youth को exam mode में तो watch ही पहनना है. I don't think that's
Actually, there is special class. Many लोग हैं visual status Timberland. For youngsters, fun. Yes,
I think they are. See, I'm that's what I think. I think being a girl, आजकल मैं वही कह रही हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लड़कियों को इन शादियों पे और बहुत देखती नहीं हूँ too much. We are not against shooting. For that remains very equal and very special to us. But I think it's that's also a different style statement which is catching on very fast. Like how minimally now that you're dressed in terms of accessories. You quote me on. So I think watch is a lot better than than a watch than also Titan Raga, because I'm not saying because I'm sitting here, but honestly it's because I've seen this with the mother of my sister and even the fusion generation. It blends really well with the kind of where we come from. I think very effortless. And I think the kind of collection that they have, which really God's Moonlight collection, you have so many varieties that you can just pick and choose at the occasion, and I'll show you an example as well.
Just to add to what she's saying, I think this is a reflection of the evolving Indian woman. In her case, probably a girl, what I should say. But today status comes from how you project yourself. That's how people perceive you. Many years back, status was in the form of you dress up for an occasion and look like a mobile jewelry shop. The way about how much jewelry you're wearing as opposed to today, it is how minimalistic you are but making an impact. That's what she's saying. And that is how the woman is today evolving. And watch is becoming an increasing part of the life.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming once again, and thanks Yami for joining us today.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. S. Nariman and Yami Gautam. Thank you very much. Okay, so on behalf of Titan Company, I would like to thank the members of the media for being with us. Please do join us for lunch and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you very much for your valuable time. And now we have an opportunity for one-on-one interactions with
Yami, can you come forward?
Yami. So I request Yami to please cooperate with us. Thank you.
Yami. भाई बंद कर दो, टाइम हो गया उसमें. ये तिवारी आगे बुलाना. आवाज नहीं. तिवारी ये तिवारी अरे माइक नीचे कर. ओ भाई tell us about the tips that you follow to look so stunning.
For today, I think I'm not the star. This is the star. It's Titan Raga Moonlight collection, and as always, minimal accessories. And I think it's the product which speaks for itself, which has been there for since generations and been at the same. And I think spoken about the contemporary fashion about every generation, and it stands out. I think it speaks volumes about itself even today. So that's Titan Raga.
Do you really love accessories?
How is it to be a part of this show? I think it's a huge privilege. I'd like to have Sir speak, I think, about this collection. And as far as this brand is concerned, it feels really great and very privileged and it's a little nostalgia, because when you're growing up and when you're in college and all, and you pick up your first brand, which for me was Titan Raga, and today I'm walking the ramp for them and wearing their collection, it feels like, okay, you've maybe done something. So I'll have Sir speak about it.
Well, we are delighted to have Yami unveiling this new collection for us. The Raga Moonlight collection is inspired from how the elements come alive in the night under moonlight, and so we've got some 5-6 stories behind the 33 models that we have. It's been created in-house, and it is all about craftsmanship and dressing up. It is timed with the coming festive season, we have a lot of loyal customers of Raga who keep waiting for the next collection. We've had many successful launches in the past. This again is likely to be a great success, and it is truly dedicated to the Indian woman who's changing with time. And so it's about the Indian woman who's very confident, who's very graceful, very sensuous to some extent, and that is why we're launching this collection just in time for the season.
So Yami is so much of acting in Bollywood. Have you kind of become choosy as much as roles and selecting scripts to work on that?
I'm just a newcomer. How can I become so choosy? I think it's just the beginning. I think last it was Badlapur. I think did really well. I'm very glad. And next you'll see me on Valentine's, which is a musical, intense love story.
So there are so many brands to watch. Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, again? I don't know.
Okay, last two questions, please.
Yeah, Yami is the first choice for this brand.
Yes, Yami is the first choice. Yes.
So are you happy or not happy? Yeah. Thank you. Please happy.
Last question, please.
Yami, tell us 5 fashion tips that someone should follow, or a woman should follow to look stylish always.
No, I'm not getting into that. I think, no, I'll be very honest. I think it's about respecting and knowing your personality really well. For me, what works is minimal accessory. And I'm not saying this because I stand here and have to talk about Titan Raga. What I love about it is it's a jewelry design, but yet it's beautiful, it's elegant, it's very sleek, it's very stylish, and it serves the festive season. I think the mood really well. I think it sets it really well, where you don't have to deck up so much. That's my personal style statement. I don't like, donning too much. I'm not a very, very heavy jewelry person. So I'll have it. I think it's a style statement of its own. So I think just be yourself, have a big smile, and try and run.
Yami, any new projects that you have signed in Bollywood, apart from Sanamri and the other things?
I think I like to bounce off this question for some time because I like to give, talk about the reason that we're here. I'd love to talk about films also. We'll have a lot of promotions coming up, so see me then.
Okay, Yami, तो आपका Valentine Day plan क्या होने वाला है?
Titan Raga से Valentine क्या करते हैं आप?
आपकी फिल्म भी रिलीज होने वाली है Valentine Day.
I think promotions ही होंगी उस टाइम भी, and I hope फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करे. आप सबको म्यूजिक पसंद आए, आप सबको पिक्चर पसंद आए.
Thank you so much. Thank you.